Hey everyone. Looking at the way AI video generation is evolving and becoming more advanced, year after year, AI video generation models keep getting released. And at this point, we've got video generation models that can create cinematic, movie-like videos. Honestly, you can't tell me this isn't super awesome. Take a look at these videos. To be frank with you, if I were told that these were generated using I would never even believe it. The level of realism is top-notch. And as you can see, the physics and other motions are very, very impressive. Now, some of you know that this new video generation model, Seedance 2.5, was released about 1 or 2 weeks ago. This has actually been upgraded to create videos in higher resolution, which is one of the most jaw-dropping upgrades. Now, as the thumbnail says, in this video, I will be exposing 3 AI platforms here that you can use for free. Not just that, I will also show you a new tool created in China to clone this model. And you can actually use these AI tools unlimitedly. So, if you're interested in this, don't forget to like and subscribe. So this is the first AI tool. As you can see, right on this interface, it looks very easy to navigate. If you click on the plus icon, you'll see different options. It has image generation, video generation, and some other options as well. But we'll be looking at the video option. So right here, we're going to enter a simple prompt like this and select the art style of your choice. So let's go with this one and click Generate. Now, the reason why I chose this AI tool is because it actually got an upgrade after Seedance 2.5 was released. So we expect this upgrade on this platform to be as good as the new video generation model. After some time, my result was out.
Almost there.
And I can see that the result came out looking very simple. You can also see that there are no morphing issues or any sort of distortion here. Now, let's try the image to video feature to see how good it actually works. For the generation, I entered a simple prompt like this. And after entering a few settings, I clicked Generate. And this is my result. Right here, I just chose to convert this into a video. And using a very simple video prompt, I clicked Generate. As you can see, it came out with natural movement. Now, the only problem here is that it doesn't generate long-form videos. But one of the AI tools we'll be looking at can actually generate up to 30-second long movie-like videos, so make sure you watch till the end. So the second AI video generation alternative I have here is from this website. Here you can access VO 3.1 for free and, for sure, unlimitedly. Right, on this platform, you can create up to 100 videos a day. And trust me, the results from this are actually very, very awesome. So right on this page, the link will be in the description. Once you enter, this is the interface you're looking at. And as you can see, there aren't really many complications here. If you look right by this side, you'll see different options and what this platform offers. You can see the audio generation, you can see the image generation, which uses Nano Banana Pro, and then for the video generation, as you can see, it is VEO 3.1. So let's start with the video generation here. We're going to be trying out the exact same prompt we used in our previous test. So after I entered my prompt, I clicked Generate, and this was my result. As you can see, this actually came out looking very, very good and really, really awesome. Now, I decided to try out the image to video feature, and I entered my simple image prompt. After I clicked Generate and my result was out, I went ahead and clicked Convert to Video. Then, I entered the video prompt and clicked Generate, and this is my result. As you can see, this actually came out looking very good and awesome. Now, mind you, you can keep generating videos here as long as you want using the latest Google video generation model. Now, for the last and not the least free AI video generation method, we're using Higgsfield AI. Now, from the reports I'm getting, some of you are still in disbelief that this AI tool can let you generate videos here. So I'm going to leave something for you at the end. I mean, the way to use this platform for free. So make sure you watch till the end, or you can jump through the timestamps. But I would really want you to check out what this platform has upgraded and how good it has become. So right here, this AI tool is Higgsfield AI. And yeah, this platform is actually one of the best when it comes to AI video generation and even other aspects of AI. I mean, everything is all packed in here. Now, we're just going to go straight to the video generation option. And right here, you can see that Seedance 2.5 has been released. One major upgrade that this platform has is that previously, in my other video, it could only generate videos in 720p. But now it has upgraded the resolution to 1080p, which I can tell you from what I've seen here can generate real-life, movie-like videos. I mean, I'm planning on starting an AI movie using this platform, and trust me, I'm not going to be paying for this. Right here, for the prompt, we need the help of ChatGPT, and with more of my imagination, I was able to create a prompt that actually follows my imagination. So after I pasted in my prompt, I changed the resolution to 1080p and then clicked Generate. And this was my result. Honestly, the video we just watched now looks so real. I mean, you wouldn't even believe that this is actually AI. Now, I'm going to be sharing more legit methods you can use for this video generation for free, and not just free, but to create a long-form video using this new AI model. So, if you're interested in this, all you need to do is comment free video, and I'll drop a list of what I have in my draft. Now for the bonus tip. In the first video on this channel, I showed you how to generate cinematic long-form videos and ultra-realistic images for free using Higgsfield AI. Yes, Higgsfield, the best, if not the biggest, AI platform you should know about. I also showed you how to get unlimited credits, and I'm currently doing a free giveaway of promo codes. All you need to do is check out the first video on this channel, or click the link you see on your screen. It will take you directly to the video. Just make sure you follow the instructions carefully so you can be verified. If you found this video helpful, let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe.